In an increasingly competitive global marketplace with shortening lead times and increasing pressure on margins, industrial companies are looking for ways to improve the efficiencies across its supply chain, secure availability of necessary components to minimize costly disruptions of its operations, reduce capital investments and operational expenses where possible. All these objectives need to be achieved while maximizing the safety of the workforce. Are these expectations realistic and feasible to achieve? With EGA Master, they are. EGA Master is a European manufacturer of premium hand tools that addresses the needs of the most demanding industrial users by offering a complete one-stop premium hand tools solutions, allowing procurement and logistic cost efficiencies to be achieved, delivering a quick and responsive service to ensure operations are never affected. With a stock availability rate of over 98%, EGA Master ensures the product is available when the customer needs it. Personalizing workshop storage systems with customized foam trays that enable a more effective control of the tools. At the same time, EGA Master is able to customize each tool with the end user's logo to reduce capital loss resulting from tool loss or theft. Can you satisfy all your tool requirements through a single brand? With EGA Master, you can. EGA Master's innovative products, holding over 200 patents, services, and solutions are used by the most demanding users across the oil and gas, mining, power, aerospace, military, automotive, shipbuilding, or railway, to name a few. Companies like Shell, Mercedes, Airbus, and many more are users of our tools and solutions. They trust us. Will you?